Good morning everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get access to the new OA program course on Grodital, and also I'm going to explain in details how you can navigate the affiliate platform. So let's get started. Before I even go into the main topic of today, I would love to introduce myself. If this is your first time seeing my video, my name is Ogushakin Temitope, an affiliate marketer and also a coach. I'll be able to earn 5 to 6 figures through affiliate marketing. So in this video, I'm going to explain in details everything you need to know about Grodital and how you can get access to the new OA program course. So watch this video today to get full details, and also subscribe and like my video and also share it. So right now I'm going to go to my Chrome browser. I'm going to sign in. This video I'm going to use one of my student accounts that I just registered. So I'm going to tap on Grodital, Grodital. Grodital. So I'm going to tap on it right now. So I'm going to sign in. So okay. So this is how your dashboard will look like as a beginner. So you can see this is how your dashboard will look like. So this place is going to show you analysis on your sales performance, a power, so you can see. So this page is weekly performance, total earning, passes, the performance, top opportunity, the new oil program, and a lot of things. So right now you are going to go to this place. So you can see contest price claim, marketplace, membership plan, on board, video portal, general leaderboard, community support, telegram, library and articles. This library articles is where you can learn different things about how to make sales, because they always post content that can make you successful as an affiliate marketer. So you can tap on it and get details of everything. So then you're going to scroll down. You see this study app. This is where you're going to get access to your course. But before I talk about the study app, I want to show you the marketplace on how you can pick a product and promote it. So this is a lot of products. We have high ticket product, low ticket product. What is high ticket product? High ticket product are products that are cost and their commission are high, while low ticket products are products that are low and the commission is low. So I'm going to change to Naira. So this is 26,000 for sister. The commission is 13,002. So this is masters. It's okay. This is 26,000 and the commission is 10. Okay, this is 17,000 and the commission is 50%, and you're going to end at 5,000. This is 26,000 and the commission is 50%. You can see there's a lot of course you can promote. There's a lot of course, and not this because I are high in demand. So there's a lot of course you can promote. Can you see? There's a lot of course you can promote. So can you see? Okay, so let me just show you how you can copy the link of your course and promote it. Okay, let me say, assuming I want to promote this course, WhatsApp group filing mystery, I'm going to tap on promote. You can see, and then I'm going to scroll down, um, so you can see I'm going to scroll down. Okay, the product price is 9,008 and your commission rate is 55%. So the, this is where you're going to earn 5,390, and this is the details, product description, how to turn. So you can see, just slide down after getting it, and then you copy your link. So after copying your link, you can paste it on your notepad. So whenever you promote this course and someone comes into your DM, you will send this link to them, and when they register through this link, you receive an email that you have made a sales on Twitter and on Saturday you request for automatic or manual withdrawal, because on Grodital they pay on Saturday and on Sunday. So if you click on automated, you are going to get your money instantly directly to your local bank account. If you click on manual, you're going to receive your money on Sunday. So there is two ways you can withdraw on Grodital. Either you can copy your link, promote. There's a lot of products you can promote here, but as a beginner try to choose one, to promote, and after getting money through it you can divert to another product and then you start promoting it. You can see there's a lot of money you can earn through this product. There's a lot of money. There's a lot of money. So there's a lot of money. Let me see. Okay, latest product. These are the latest product. Just upload it on this page. Okay, we can decide to promote it. Promote it. There's a lot of products. So can you see? So there's a lot of products you can decide to promote. So that's for that. So let us go back to the main topic of today. So right now I'm going to go to my study app. I'm going to tap on it. So this is where you are going to learn. Okay, the new OYE program TNO. So this my student has been going through it. Can you see? That is why you see green and 6% complete. So I'm going to tap on it right now. You see, I'm going to tap on it. So this slide, you see, this is what you're going to learn. Welcome and introduce on 3 topics. Let me expand it. Okay, welcome and introduce. So welcome address and cost structure, mentality, arc and why affiliate. And this you're going to introduce to affiliate marketing. You're going to learn about what is affiliate marketing, how does affiliate marketing work, benefit of affiliate marketing, find the right niche selection strategies, high ticket, high demand and look personal by the visual brand and its effect on marketing, the online worker's personality, video landing page or profile links, product selection and how to select the right product for promotion, how to conduct true product research, use the odd products feature, lead and traffic. What is lead generation, organic traffic versus pay traffic, principle of lead generation, similarity of driving force of lead generation, what to expect in the next module, organic lead generation, WhatsApp lead generation, TikTok lead generation, Twitter lead generation, Facebook lead generation, Instagram lead generation, and paid lead generation. Facebook ads and Instagram ads, influencer ads, WhatsApp TV, TikTok ads, sales funnel and copyright. What are the sales funnel? Principle of sales funnel, building a strong converting funnel, introduction to copywriting, types of copywriting, how to write strong copyright without stress, practical sales of copywriting, that's sales closing and experience to design your sales strategy, what to expect in the next module, how to set up secret to know before selling, selecting product that sell, how to conduct product research, what to expect next module, one-on-one sales closing, how to close one-on-one sales, one to many sales closing, how to close one to many sales, bonus and advanced tips for pro marketer, TM promotion material for prayer apps of how to 50 times result scale up 3% and a lot can see to how to unban WhatsApp accounts, how to save automatically, WhatsApp automation. So these are what you are going to learn in this course. Can you see the reason why you need to get access to Grodital? Because Grodital will give you everything you need to know about affiliate marketing and how you can be successful in affiliate marketing. So right now, and also you have access to participate in the sales challenge. So if I want to show you the sales challenge going on, then you're going to tap on these 3 lines. You see this okay, you see this coming contest, you can see. So the new OYE program has contest and it's going to end on 110. Facebook has creation, data series selling, business, mental health mystery cash outs. They're going to start a sales challenge so you can participate apart from even earning directly from the course you are going to earn in this sales challenge after meeting a target. So this is a great opportunity for you to register on Grodital and get access to the new OYE program course, and also you can participate in the sales challenge and earn a lot of money. So I hope you have learned one or two things from video, and make sure you like, make sure you share. And also, if you have any question, write in the comment section. I'm going to reply instantly. Thank you for watching, and God bless you. And before I forget, affiliate marketing does not have age limit. Even though you are 13, 14, 15, even though it's 12, as far you can read and write, as far you have access to a smartphone, as far you have access to a good internet, you can start affiliate marketing and earn a lot of money. It's not only about earning money through affiliate marketing, also you are going to have access to get I paid it skill, because all these skills you are going to learn, all these skills you are going to learn in this new OYE program, you can master one of the skills and render yourself to business owner, and you earn a lot of money. Apart from earning money through affiliate marketing, you can also earn money through that skills. It is another stream of income. Even though you are a 9 to 5 worker, a full housewife, a student, undergraduate or graduate, you can venture into affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the fastest way to generate a lot of money in the year 2025. Thank you for watching, and don't miss this opportunity.